Do you also have the self-drive installed?
Absolutely.
Oh.
I don't do this job. I just go along for the ride.
Hello.
Go ahead, we got it? There you go. There you go. How we doing tonight, guys?
Pretty good.
I am fantabulous. I'll pretend to work, you know. What about you guys? You guys out causing trouble?
A little bit.
A little bit? Mm-hmm. Who's got a PIN code for me?
5655, sir. I got you.
No. There we go.
Do you also have the self-drive installed?
Absolutely.
Oh.
I don't do this job. I just go along for the ride.
This is amazing. This is what technology should...
I figure I'm out of a job in 3 years.
Do you have what was the question? Oh, do you have a name for your car?
Okay, this is gonna age me, but yes, the car's name is Kit.
Oh, okay.
If you get the reference.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
I know Kit.
It was big. It was big in the 80s, so you know, I mean, when the first self-driving car, and it was my childhood.
It takes a right turn automatically.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. But you know what? I used to watch it in Spanish because I lived in Colombia when in that time.
Okay.
And it's like, Kit el carro automático.
Nice. So see, it's going to stop back here. Then it's going to creep up because it needs this camera. There's a camera up here that's looking sideways. So it needs to get up so it can see down there and then go.
Oh yeah, but that's also what they teach you in the driving school.
Oh, yeah,
it's go up until you can see, right? The later Teslas actually have a camera up on the front bumper now.
Oh. Wow.
So now, and it's got cameras like this up on the front bumper. So that's superior than a human being, right? We're all the way back here, right? They have cameras all the way up on the front bumper, being able to see left and right. Like, that's huge.
Oh yeah, that's so much less scary.
Do you had any difficulties like when you do self-driving, or you find it like just chilling?
I chill, but I've also, the thing is I've bought my first Tesla in 2019. So I've been through and I've got over 250,000 miles on Teslas.
Oh wow.
And now we have a stat now. So I've gone 17,450 miles and the car's done 16,000 of that. So, yeah, no, I'm very,
this is
very
great. I'm very jealous. Like now,
I am very comfortable with the car, man. Like, I work really hard at my job, as you can tell.
Oh, you're not getting hit by ridiculous gas prices.
Oh, that too. I mean, that was the absolute, like, I didn't buy my Tesla to save the environment or whatever. I bought my Tesla to save my wallet.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Why not? Yeah,
that was in 2019, and here we are now. And then I also have solar panels on my roof, so days like today. Well, today wasn't all that great, but yesterday we had a lot of sun yesterday. So
right.
when I get home and you saw how I did that. It's been kind of iffy about lights. I'm actually surprised it didn't stop because it's been very skittish about lights lately, and I was actually reaching my foot to hit the accelerator, but it did it on its own. So
my friend's car does it. Like, it kind of just stops like
abruptly. Yeah, it doesn't do it as smooth as it used to. And now I don't know, there's supposed to be a new patch. All the influencers got it already, so I'll be a week or two behind on getting the next one.
The popular influencers ones. I like it how it. Oh, this is amazing.
Isn't that crazy how good it is?
I've sat in a Tesla, but most of the time it's like people driving it. But this is my first time
experiencing it. Right? You've watched it or whatever, but actually being in the car. We're gonna take it off of parking garage. We're gonna put it on curbside, so it'll pull us up to the curb. Is what it'll do.
But this is amazing. This is what.
So see this? It stopped for them.
This is smart.
Yeah.
This is smart.
I wouldn't have stopped for them. Just saying. I'm being real. They weren't at the pole yet. I would have kept going. Just being real.
No, yeah, for sure. For sure.
Follow the rules.
Totally understandable. Like, yeah, they're meant to follow more rules than you actually have to. But yeah.
So what's it gonna do? It should. I think we'll see what it does, but we'll let it.
I'm also curious. Yeah.
We'll see what it does. I've got it on curbside. Let's see what it does.
Jesus Christ! I just want this toy now.
Is that crazy?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Like, to be in it and watching it do it is just, it's far different than just like watching a video or whatever. That's what this is. I post videos. Is this on? It is on. Good. This will be a perfect video to post.
That is amazing.
So as you can see, what it's doing is it's got the steering wheel, the screen, and then what's going on up here. So
yeah, this is the kind of car that I would want to get.
Absolutely.
It's not perfect, but man, is it really, really good, you know?
Yeah.
Would you be comfortable to get drunk and drive home?
Okay. Yes, but no. Good. I'm glad we hit this light so I can explain this. There are certain things, okay, like I live down in Auburn, and people have asked me if I would blindfold myself going from Bellevue to Auburn. And I would say yes, because I have done that trip well over 10,000 times, right? Every night I'm going home, right? And I know exactly how the car reacts all the way through that entire 35-minute trip. Same with from Auburn to Puyallup. I've done that trip over 10,000 times. Here's what I'll say though. Like, can the car take you from the bar to your house? Right now, my numbers say you have a 92% chance that nothing is going to happen. That nothing's going to go wrong. Okay. But here's what I'll say. When something goes wrong, you want to have your faculties with you.
Right. That makes sense.
Right? That's what I'll say. Like, right now I give it a 92% chance of taking you from your home, from the bar to your home, right? For most of my daily driving, right? But there's certain places that I've done so many freaking times, I would blindfold myself and be totally comfortable with it. You know, I'll get in the car with my wife and we'll be going like down to Puyallup or whatever, and I'll just go, "So honey, how's your day going?" You know, just sit there and do this to her.
No, but this is still amazing. Like, you don't need to like, I would rather not do it when I'm drunk, but I would just feel like it's just an added.
The thing is are you going to get a DUI? Most likely not.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like,
right?
How does that work?
Legally, you are. So the way the law is written is, if you are in control, so you can be sitting on the side of the road with your keys in the back of your car, and you can still legally get a DUI. If you are in physical possession control of the car and you are intoxicated over the legal limit, you can legally get a DUI. And so being in a self-driving car still doesn't take away the liability.
The DUI.
This is where we're going to.
Can you ride this car while being on the back seat and nobody is sitting on the...
Not yet. No, see, I wanted to stop. It should stop right here, right? This is where you need, right?
Yeah.
Let's let him get around. But yeah, like, it didn't want to stop for you, so...
No, but
darn it, there's
this
part of
amazing experience. Like,
you're very welcome. Enjoy the night, guys.
Yeah, this has raised the bar. Thank you so much.
You bet. Take care.
Thank you.
Betcha.
Thanks for the entertainment.
You betcha. Thanks for the video. Thanks for the video.